Well, guys, that was a heck of a bull run we had. I hope you had some massive returns. Now it's time to get ready for the next bear market, as Bitcoin has now gone under $63,000. Let's get it. I'm not a financial advisor. Welcome to the channel. I'm your host, the Bit Boy. We do not have a show today because I'm actually sick. Thought it was pneumonia. They did an x-ray. It's actually bronchitis. I cannot kick this bronchitis. Keeps coming back. So anyways, we'll not be doing this show live today, but I do want to talk to you guys about the market, because right now Bitcoin has gone under $63,000. Pretty big crash if you look at the 24-hour chart. But the thing is, it doesn't matter. We got what we needed yesterday. We got the close for the monthly in the green. And that is important, because every time we have had a green September, we've had a green October, we've had a green November, and we've had a green December. These are also known as the bull runs, and it's time. It's getting ready to start, and I'm super excited about it. And yes, the price did just drop, but there's really no reason for it. And I told you guys yesterday on the show, look, we got a green September. We're almost definitely gonna have a green October. But that does not mean that we're not gonna go down at first. We can start in the red. September started in the red, it ended in the green. So it doesn't mean that October is from day one, it's up, 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 up. But the quarter ended on Monday. It's a new day here. And I think that one thing people should really be looking at, we're gonna do a video a little bit later today where I'm gonna be talking about XRP and how big what they're doing with their stablecoin is. And I really think you guys gotta open your eyes to the fact that XRP is about to melt faces. We're gonna talk about that a little bit later. And I also have some other, one thing I do want to do, other than XRP that we're going to talk about later though, I did want to talk about 3 altcoins that I feel like right now are really, really good buys. And I think that we're about to see a turnover in the cycle of the hottest layer 1. It's been sweet for the last couple of weeks and it's been ripping. Sweet's still going to be a top 10 coin, still going to hit a new all-time high, but it has had a massive run up. I think we're going to see some other coins starting that next massive run up. First one is Avalanche. I've been talking about this for several days. I think everything is primed for Avalanche. It is about to melt faces. Get ready. It is about to legitimize itself and go to the next level with layer 1s, I believe. Number 2, and this is big for me, guys. I have not suggested this coin in a long time. I have trashed this coin. I've said forever, show me something, show me something. Feels like maybe they're starting to show something. Phantom. Check out Phantom. I think Phantom is about ready to rip. And then number 3, well, not only ready to rip, I think Phantom is about to become a legit layer 1. I think Avalanche is going to take the next step. I think Phantom is finally going to take that step up into being one of the top layer 1s, and you know, one of the top 10. And one thing that Phantom showed me, or that really impressed me about Phantom, was when Google added Phantom addresses to the Block Explorer. I thought that was, that they use on Google, I thought that was really interesting because I did not see that coming. But okay, so we got Phantom, we've got AVAX. What else? I already told you XRP, we're gonna talk about that later. I think Ondo is finally time. I think Ondo is going to, you see all these projects taking Ondo's clout, saying, hey, we're using USDY, Athena Labs saying it. As Mr. X about Athena Labs and their partnership, their Justice on partnership with the Biddle Fund. And it's not a real partnership, they're just using the Biddle Fund. They're using Securitides, which I think is a company that backs the fund, but they're not actually working with BlackRock, they're not working with Ondo. It's just kind of silly in my opinion. But that's what you're gonna see. You're gonna see all these projects want to use that USDY, because that Ondo is the one. Ondo has got the potential to get inside the top 10. Look at where it is now. Guys, you're not gonna, look, we've been telling you guys, SWE, ICP, Tau, Near, Render, we've been telling you those. Now it's time for the next little go round to get started, where we're gonna get some new pumpers, and I think those are some of the ones that you are gonna see. So let me know what you guys think about the market. What do you think about altcoins? I'm gonna be back tomorrow. Be back a little bit later today with an XRP video and maybe a clip from the show. So I gotta be blessed.